So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for leadership opportunities and career tips. So, first of all, a very happy new year to all of the viewers. And now let's start for these job opportunities. So, this job opportunity is for all the students and the fresh graduates out there. And it's about the big update from one of the top banking, finance company, which is American Express. So it's also a credit card company that you might have heard of. So they are basically hiring for the apprentice in enterprise technology service for Gurugram locations, and this is a 12-month paid apprenticeship with one of the world's most trusted brand. So the company is the trust builder as so. Let's have a brief introduction about the American Express. So American Express has a 175-year legacy and is known globally for innovations, technology, and employee-first culture. If you want real industry exposure and structured learning, this opportunity is right for you. So let's have a program overview before diving into the responsibilities and the required skill sets. So the program is of apprenticeship, as I told, which is apprentice role for 1 year program, and it's a government scheme that you guys might be knowing. And the company, as I already mentioned, is American Express, and location is Gurugram, which is Gurgaon, old is Gurgaon, and it's a hybrid opportunity with 3 days or 2 days work from office and just work from home every week. And now let's understand what you'll be working on, basically your roles and responsibilities and the technical expertise that you'll gain once you join there as apprentice. So as an apprentice at American Express, you'll be working with real tech teams and real projects. You will be writing code in Java, JavaScript, .NET, Python, or any other frameworks that you might get to know. You'll also be working as a part of agile teams, so building and testing APIs, designing customer facing applications, web, mobile, backend services, and working on automation as well, along with the concept projects and other automation projects as well. You'll also be learning enterprise scale systems that is used globally by the company. So overall, you are going to have a great exposure, global exposure in this organization. So now let's understand who and all can apply for this opportunity. So you must apply if you are someone who have recently completed bachelor degree or master degree into computer science, IT or related field, and if you have a strong interest into the technology and programming and are curious to learn new things, problem oriented, and have eagerness to learn and develop and build something, then you are the one who should opt for career in American Express as apprentice. So also if you're someone who is having a data driven and customer focused mindset, then you must join this particular organization. So now let's understand why this apprenticeship is special and what makes it different. So first of all, this program is this program gives you the paid apprenticeship with a global multinational company, which is American Express, plus exposure to executives and leadership, hands-on experience in enterprise technology. Along with that, you also get the strong foundation for a long-term tech career. And yeah, that's it you will get. And let's understand the benefits, some other benefits of joining American Express as apprentice. So American Express supports your overall well-being with competitive stipends and bonus medical insurance benefits. Along with that, you'll get hybrid work flexibility, career development and training programs, mental health and wellness support, and so many other benefits as well that you might get to know once you opt for the role, or once you get onboarded as apprentice. So now let's understand how you can apply for this role. So you don't have to do anything. We have mentioned direct link for this job into the description. So go into the description, check it out, and apply as soon as possible. Also make sure to stay away from the fraud links or something like that. So we are just posting genuine link, so you don't have to get into all such traps. So that's it for this opportunity. If you are a student or a fresh graduates looking to enter into the top tier tech roles, don't miss this opportunity. Like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily updates and career tips. Also share with your friends or juniors or colleagues who are into their final year or who have recently graduated in the 2025. It might be a great help for them. That's it for this wonderful opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.